acceptance took place or not?
No.
No acquisition.
What the state in fact did somewhere in between, they decided to go the other way, which has now been provided in the Act of 2013 by mutual
Private
consent.
negotiations or mutual.
So they made us an offer of 1.48 odd crore rupees. That money came from the state government to the PWD and still lying in the account of the collector. At that point of a time, we had agreed to it. Now they themselves gave that up, and again now have at the latest position is they are now for the same land. They are now giving us an offer of 10 odd lakhs. After 5, 6
Whether
years.
they are utilizing the land or.
Oh, the road is made on it.
Ji, sir.
Well, in the last date, we had raised an oral objection saying that as far as this land is concerned, there is a petition that is pending.
As far as land is concerned?
As far as some of these khasras are concerned, a petition is pending before the division bench.
The petitioner?
A petition is pending before the division bench. One in the
For what purposes?
One is in the nature of a PIL to allege that the land in question was initially a Chernoi land. And thereafter, this could not have been, compensation could not have been paid to the landowners because they could not have been the landowners. This is one. And second is, as far as...
Sir, I think Mr. Manoj Sharma has filed some written objection to your objection that...
They filed a reply. May I draw my lord's kind attention to para 3 of that reply?
Kaun sa hai? Para 3 of that reply.
Yes. So we've sent this to the authorities. We've also communicated it to them.
No. Yes, अभी हमको पहले तो ये बताइए whether this petition is concerning some more additional khasras which are not the subject matter of that litigation.
May I start from para 3? Yes, I would have to answer that in the affirmative. May I first read para 3? Where's the... My lords have para 3.
मेरे भाई मेरे को छोटा सा क्वेश्चन बताओ, आप 4 घंटे खराब कर दो, मेरे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Everybody is there to waste the time. The only question is that your objection was that in respect of the land in dispute, a PIL and one more petition is already pending before the division bench. Therefore, this case should also be linked along with those cases. It was objected by Mr. Sharma by saying that let us forget about those lands which are the subject matter of those petitions. What about those lands which are not the subject matter of those 2 petitions? Therefore, I had requested Mr. Sharma to file a written reply to your objections. If this petition is also concerning certain lands which are not the subject matter of those 2 petitions, if there is no dispute with regard to the ownership of the petitioners in respect of the other lands, so why should I keep the petition pending in respect of those undisputed lands which are not the subject matter of? इतना तो आंसर करो. क्या सारी जमीनें उन लिटिगेशन का हिस्सा है? 3 खसरा उस दोनों पिटिशंस का हिस्सा नहीं है.
सिर्फ 3 ही हैं जो उसका हिस्सा है, बाकी जो है दैट इज सेपरेट.
कौन से 3 जो हैं जो
पैरा 3 में आपका ही सबमिशन है, दैट इज 71/6
17/1 ड and 72/1 ch are subject matters of
71/6, 72/1 ड और 72/1 ch
of pending petitions, right?
Yes.
आपका क्या आप एडमिट कर रहे हैं कि this statement is correct? And then let us concentrate on the other lands which other than these 3 lands.
We sent this to the authority. It was filed yesterday. Could this be on Monday with my lord's permission?
यार क्या तमाशा है?
From the pleadings, this statement is not incorrect. From the pleadings on record, this statement is not.
I don't want to land you in a difficulty.
That's that.
But why your authorities are not responding to your calls?
He was here yesterday as well.
फिर आपने क्यों नहीं पूछा? अरे बढ़वा लेंगे यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? जाओ तुम तो जाओ, नाश्ता वास्ता करो.
Absolutely not, sir.
फिर क्या सर?
He was here with us yesterday as well.
तो क्या कर रहे थे? प्रिपरेशन नहीं कर रहे थे क्या? चाय नाश्ता हो रहा था और you were preparing some other returns. अरे ये तो बढ़ जाएगा.
वो इसी के लिए आए.
फिर भी कुछ नहीं किया.
अगर if my lord में deem it proper.
नहीं वैसे बताओ तो सही क्या अगर इसी के लिए आए और वही छोटा सा क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आए क्यों थे सर?
उस समय तक we did not have this.
हैं?
We did not have this at that stage.
आपके पास ये नहीं था?
At that stage, it was filed yesterday.
No sir. whether it was filed yesterday.
कल तो छुट्टी थी.
Parso, on the last day. That's right.
तो जनरल क्लॉजेज एक्ट लगेगा सर, छुट्टी वाला दिन एक्सक्लूड हो जाएगा. Do you have any objection if I take it on Monday?
कर ले सब कोई बात.
है ना? 2587/2023 Shri Zubin Prasad prays for and is granted a day's time to verify whether the statement made by the petitioners in paragraph 3 of IA number 7674/2022 with regard to the lands which are subject matter of two petitions pending before the division bench is correct or not.
वैसे सर उसमें वो अधिकारी की भी आवश्यकता नहीं, आप तो खुद ही पिटिशन में देख सकते हैं कि
Sir,
जो चैलेंज किया.
actually क्या है, someday somebody was sharing his experience, then the officers start alleging against the law officers कि sir what interest did you have. तो मैंने फिर इनसे कहा था कि ठीक है आप कोई भी स्टेटमेंट दीजिए so that sir we know the hard work which is put in by the lawyers. And merely because the officer is not happy with the outcome, he has a right to file SLP or WA, whatever remedy is available, but he has no right to allege.
I was saying Marat because of the nature of query.
नहीं, fine.
Whether those खसरा numbers are there in
आप
that
सर ये
petition.
कह दें अब जो भी है, मैंने एक्चुअली ये था. अब आप ये देखिए सर, आई कैन इजीली मेक इट आउट कि ये सिंसियरली आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. And I can tell you that for the last 1.5 years, I could not find even a single instance where I had ever gathered any impression कि ये कुछ गड़बड़ लग रही है. इतना जरूर मैंने कहा कि that you had not come with full preparation, that is different aspect. But intentionally or unintentionally, we can make it out from the face reading also. Why should I give an opportunity to any officer to allege against the office the law officers? Which I am also of the view कि नहीं उनका behavior ऐसा था ही नहीं. So I will take up at 10:15. The case shall be taken up at 10:15, irrespective of the serial number at which it might be listed in the cause list. हाँ 1 बजे वाला ले लो.
Item number 86.